What's going on, guys? Welcome back, everybody. Just gonna do a quick little video update today, kind of walking in the streets. We're about to grab some breakfast. I'm here with Ray. So Ray's been eating out a lot here.
Every single day.
And me too. We're in El Poblado.
Here, across the street, because these guys drive crazy.
There's a lot of really good food places to eat. So Ray's been checking them out. And today we're going to one called Alma.
Yep, that's the name. Alma.
Alma?
Ate here at this place. El Correo.
Yeah.
I ate at like every place on this street.
This one, El Correo, excelente. Pulpo. If you're ever in the area, highly recommend that one. Super, super good. They got chicken, beef, really good, high quality. Actually, Ray ate at this one here. This is an Arabic one.
Ate there.
Ray ate at every single one.
Ate at that place.
This place upcoming here.
I don't like that place.
This is called Walk House, but
some people might. Just not for me. It's a little bit more oily. Yeah. It's like
this one here. This one, Walk House, popular one, but I didn't.
Watch out for that.
I didn't like it either. Literally, there's just so much good food for really decently priced. So if anyone is in El Poblado, definitely recommend just coming down here and checking out the food spots.
You can get food here for a decent price. This area is more expensive. So this is like the luxury part of Medellin. So you're not going to be getting too much of a deal, but it's really good quality food. So it's worth it to me. Depends on what you like. If you're not too big on food, then you're better off going to a different area, I'd say.
This is really popular. It's called BBC Bogota Beer Company. Very popular in Colombia. So we're still walking here to Alma. Pare. Ready? Alma. Just getting some shots of the people and stuff, and we just got the coffee. This is Cafe Americano. El Cafe Americano. Check it out. We're about to smash. Ray's been eating pounds and pounds of food every day. Hordes of food. It's bulk season. Bulking up.
That's right. You got to take advantage.
That's the way to do it.
I got some food to go.
The food is in. Alma Cafe.
Check it out before it's gone.
We got French toast and eggs, aguacate.
What do you think? Do we have enough bread here?
Cafe Americano. Some more French toast.
Am I eating enough bread in my diet?
And aguacate, avocado, eggs. So this is the spot, guys. For anybody in El Poblado, if you want to come to a nice little restaurant, a breakfast place, this is a spot. Alma Cafe, right in the heart, El Poblado. They got a lot of stuff, huge menu, Pretty cool food. The service can be kind of slow at times, but it's kind of worth it. It's kind of worth it. It's not bad. It's not bad. So definitely gotta check it out if you're around. And I think that's it for today. Just a quick little update. Lots of food spots. Going to be doing some more food review things. And if anyone has any ideas, anything you want to see in Colombia, El Poblado, travel, food, anything, drop a comment below. Drop a comment below in the video, and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in learning about how to make passive income online with cryptocurrency, click the link below. There are a lot of opportunities out there, and I have another channel which I talk about more in depth about those things if you're interested. So that's it for today.
My food's getting cold.
And my food's getting cold now, so time to eat. And see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody, and bye-bye. Right, Ray? Anything to say? Goodbye. Later.
Peace out.
Peace out. See you guys later. Peace. Oh, estoy muy lleno de comer. Desayuno. Y para ti, ¿qué te gusta para comer en las mañanas? Para ti.
Arepita con quesito, café,
Arepa con queso, con café,
y chocolate también.
chocolate.
Eh,
Sí, sí, eso es bueno. Para mí me gusta, usualmente yo como huevos.
también
Huevos con arepa.
Eso también, huevos revueltos.
Sí, eso es bueno.
Sí.
Pero wow, estoy llenísimo.
Eh,
Y voy a descansar y pronto me voy para el gimnasio.
ya.
Sí,
Esa.
sí. Pero bueno, entonces, hasta luego.
Hasta luego, está bien.
Álvaro, diga que hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. And bye bye. See you guys again.